Hi, it's time to talk about the difference between a cloud server and an in-house server. When we first announced that Edouard 2.0 would be a cloud-based only, we received happy and upset comments. The reason is because both have their strengths and weaknesses. A cloud server is usually associated with a software as a service business practice. This is when, instead of making a one-time bigger payment for the software license, you pay regularly, usually monthly or annually, for a bundle which includes the software license and the service of hosting the server with the maintenance that comes with it. This represents a great advantage for you as you spread out automatically your expenses without a credit line, and you can enjoy tax benefits depending on your country's regulations. Another great advantage of the cloud is that your server is accessible from anywhere in the world, at any time. This is particularly relevant in the time we live in, when we want to have access to our data at the most unusual time of the day. For instance, you can work from a hotel across the planet, or leave the office earlier to pick up your kids and continue working from home on that one last thing that needed to be finished. The greatest inconvenience of the cloud is that it is depending directly on your internet connection. This is to be taken with a grain of salt, since more and more people have access to faster internet connections such as DSL lines, cables, or even optic fiber. That can remain a problem for the minority which still cannot get access to these speeds. The biggest fears with the cloud is that it is less secure than in-house situations. It is true that the server is more exposed than in an in-house server, but the security is in the hand of highly qualified people who mutualize their efforts among a bigger group of users. While it is possible for your in-house situation to be flawless security-wise, it is most likely not. The number one factor of security breaches is the lack of proper software updates, which demands a regular maintenance of your in-house installations, which can be very expensive. This takes me to the greatest disadvantage of an in-house server, the maintenance. It is all on you and will be on your dime with the quality and efficiency of the resources you have. It can be great and it can be terrible. One thing will remain strong though, that's the network responsiveness. In most cases, you won't have a setup that would offer you both security and accessibility, which means you can access your server quickly from within your company, but not as soon as you leave the office. Our mission with Edouard is to bring powerful tools in the hands of the smallest businesses in the world. We chose to build it on OS X and iOS for their ease of use and reliability. We designed Edouard to be extremely simple, yet just as powerful as any ERP. We made Edouard as a downloadable app with in-app purchases to place it in all hands. It was only logical for us to bring it to the cloud so we can take its ease of use and accessibility to the next level. And that's why we prefer the cloud over the in-house servers. That's it for this one. Make sure to follow us on your favorite social media, and if you have any questions, check out our other videos or feel free to contact us from our website, edwardapp.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.